Hello everybody, my name is Eddie Spaghetti, and today here I have a little contraption for you, and just by looking at it you might be able to tell what it does, but if you don't, let me show you real quick. So I just finished watching Dadcraft's video. I'm loving his videos. I'm really loving them, but he's building his farm, right, and he's using concrete for it. And well, I noticed he's placing down the concrete in the ground, and then he places buckets of water over them, and then he veins mine it. But we're unmodded, that craft. You really don't need to do that. So after I was done watching his video, it just hit me. Why not do this? So let me show you how this works. Is this always on? Yes. Look at this. Look at Isn't that ridiculous? You can just getting all his concrete with this. So we got 3 4 stacks. I mean, it does have a. Done. 9 stacks of concrete, just like that. So yeah, that's the contraption for today. I know it's a small contraption, but it's very useful if you're gonna be building with these concrete blocks. So let me show you how to build one of these. So what you're gonna need is a mechanical miner this time. We haven't used that block in any of my videos, but yeah, this is what makes the magic happens. And of course the mechanical user. You're gonna need a bucket of water, some glass, clear glass, whatever glass you want, or maybe you want to use one of these uh, chiseled in bits glass that I'm using over here, so it'll look like that. And depending on how much concrete you're gonna make, you might need a chest and an iron conduit just to pull out the concrete from here. Like, say you want to put it on top of this chest right here. Just put item conduit on extract, always active, and insert here. There you go. Or maybe you want to use a transfer node. That's up to you. Alright, so let's start with this. So first off, what you're going to need to do is place that mechanical. But wait, before we do this, I've seen people in my comment section and even on Dadcraft's comment section saying that their game is crashing because of mechanical users. And honestly, I was even scared to use this miner thing, but it didn't give me any problem right now. I don't know if but it doesn't have that many settings. You just gotta place it down and that's how it works. That's it. We're gonna turn it off for right now. Redstone on, yeah, there we go. Okay, so if you're scared of losing your world, what you can do is type this slash server. Oh no, not server. I'm sorry. Slash backup start. And then see, it says server turn off world saving, whatever. Server backup done in whatever, less than a second. But that means you backed up your world, and if you go to your if you're on Curse and you go to open folder on the mod pack tab, you're gonna go to the mod pack folder, and there's gonna be a folder that says backups, and that's where you can restore your world if something bad happens. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, let's proceed with this. So you put the mechanical miner, so it's facing this way, then the mechanical user. We're gonna turn this one off for sure. Alright, so that should be it. Now if you wanna do this chisel stuff, you're gonna need a block right here and a block right here to help you just place these. So let me do that. So there, there, and one right here. Okay, and there we go. Now place a bucket back there so that the concrete, gets solidified, and that's it. That's about it. Now you just need to turn these on. I mean, this is a very simple thing. And get some concrete. Just put it in there. Of course, without the... oh, I forgot. This one needs to be on place block. There you go. So if you don't have any speed upgrades on these, it's gonna be a bit slow. But if you cannot afford the speed upgrades because of the grid power, because each one of these, take one grid power. You can just leave this running, and maybe you have something else to do. Maybe you need to tend to your chickens or something like that. And yeah, you can just leave this, and when you come back, you'll have 9 stacks of concrete. Or of course, you can just speed it up by upgrades here and 20 upgrades. It needs to be the same amount of upgrades. Yeah, but that's it. I hope this tutorial helps you with your building stuff. So yeah, and it's nighttime. These stop working at night. I don't know why. Oh boy. It says because I'm draining more grid power than I'm actually. And that might be true because I don't even have grid power generating here, but whatever. Okay guys, so I'll watch you in the next one, and thank you for watching.